Given that sine A is 4/5 and A is obtuse, and that cos B is minus 5/13, and that B is between 180 and 270, find the value of cos A plus B, tan A minus B, and cosec A minus B. So first of all, we need to find the cos of A and tan of A, and similarly for this one as well, sine of B and tan of B. Okay, so sine of A is 4/5. If we A is obtuse, that means it's in the second quadrant. So if we draw it in the second quadrant, and then sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so this side is 4, this side is 5, and then we can work out this side here using Pythagoras' theorem. So using Pythagoras, the adjacent side would be the square root of 5 squared minus 4 squared, which will give you 3. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, but it will be minus 3 because it's this side of the axis. And therefore we can write down that cos A is minus 3/5 and tan A is minus 4/3. Remembering that cos and tan are negative in that quadrant. We'll do a similar sort of thing for B. So cos B is minus 5/13. We're told it's in the third quadrant because it's between 180 and 270. So if we draw our cast diagram and make our angle here, okay, where this is angle B, we have the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that's this length here will be minus 5. And the hypotenuse will be 13, and then again if we use Pythagoras' theorem, although you might recognise it as a 5, 12, 13 triangle, square root of 13 squared minus 5 squared, which is 12, but because this length is going down, it will be negative, and therefore the sine will be minus 12/13, but the tangent will be positive, 12/5, because we've got minus 12 divided by minus 5, which is positive, and we should know in that quadrant that tan is actually positive. Okay, armed with all that information, we can now solve the problem. So writing those all out, and we can just now use them. Using the compound angle formula, so we've got cos of A plus B is cos A, cos B minus sine B, sine B. And therefore we just extract the right one. So we're going to get cos of A plus B. Cos A is minus 3/5, so put it all in brackets. Cos B is minus 5/13. And then sine B is 4/5. Sorry, sine A. Just scroll back a bit there because that actually should be sine A, not sine B. So starting again, cos of A plus B, it will be cos A, which is minus 3/5, cos B, which is minus 5/13, minus sine A, which is 4/5, and sine B is minus 12/13. So make sure you put it in brackets, and then we don't get any problems with the minus sign. So we're going to have 15 plus 15/65 plus, because it's minus 48/65, which will give me 63/65. Right, for B, if we write those all out again, we'll just roll that on along a little bit. Okay, so using the same things again, you'd only write them out once in the question. Tan of A minus B is tan A, tan B, 1 plus tan A, tan B. Right, so taking the tan, so we're going to have tan A minus B is going to be minus 4/3 minus 12/5 over 1 plus minus 4/3 times 12/5. Just make sure you extract the right one. So that's going to give me minus 56/15. Okay, over here at the bottom bit will give me minus 11/5, which will give me a positive answer of 56/33. And then the next one, writing them all out again, we're going to work out cosec. Now cosec is 1/sine, so we need to do cosec of A minus B will be 1/sine A minus B, and we've got an expansion for that, so that will be 1/sine A cos B cos A sine B. So cosec A minus B will be equal to 4/5, 1 over 4/5 times cos B, which is, so sine A is 4/5, cos B is minus 5 over 13, minus cos A, which is minus 3/5, over sine B, which is going to be minus 12 over 13. So, and that will give me 1 over minus 20 over 65 minus 36 over 65, which will give me minus 1 over 56 over 65, which is minus 65 over 56. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use the compound angles to find a combination, using combinations of these, like cos A plus B, sine A plus A minus B, and cosec A minus B, and etc. Tan A plus B as well. I hope you've understood. In the notes of this video will be a link to my webpage, where you will be able to find thousands of videos which will help you with A-level maths, and maybe you could consider subscribing to my channel. I thank you very much for watching.